Okay, so in this session we will study about principle of counting. Okay, so we will understand how we can count things. So we have two principles. First is additive principle, second is multiplicative principle. Okay, so the idea is, first try to understand that you know what is addition. Okay, now try to understand what is multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but rapid addition. Okay, means you are doing addition only but in very fast way, that is multiplication. Okay, so the definition of additive principle is, the additive principle states that if an event A occurs in m ways, so there is an event which can occur in m ways, and event B, so there is another event B which can occur in n different ways. Okay, then the event A or B can occur in m plus n ways. Okay, so this is the definition of additive principle. Now multiplicative principle. The multiplicative principle states that if an event A occurs in m different ways and each possibility for A follows exactly n ways for event B, then the event A and B can occur in m into n ways. Look at this. Here these guys have used A or B. Okay, but here these guys have used A and B. So whenever they will talk about or, you have to think about addition. Okay, if they will talk about and, you have to think about multiplication. Now look at this part. So this is the uh, real definition for these things, principle of counting. Now I will tell you how to hold on command over these two things. So look at the idea. So first thing, you have to make sure that I will be assigning you certain task. Okay, the idea is clear. First I will assign you certain task. Now look at this principle of multiplication. Till the time our task is not completed, okay, we have to multiply. Okay, so till the time our task is not completed, we have to keep on multiplying. Okay, this is principle of multiplication. Now look at this principle of addition. We will add all the different ways, all the different ways to complete the task. Okay, now these two lines you have to memorize. Okay, we have to keep on multiplying till the time our task is not completed. We have to add all the different ways to complete the task. Okay, now suppose that I'm giving you one situation. Suppose that you guys are staying in Hyderabad, HYD. Okay, and I have assigned you tasks to reach Patna. Okay, now you can reach Patna via Delhi. Okay, now look at this. From Hyderabad to Delhi, you can go via flight, train, bus. Okay, from Delhi to Patna, you can go via flight, you can go via train. Okay, so the idea is, I am asking you to find out the number of ways in which you can reach Patna. Okay, so you know that the number of ways will be exact, it will be a specific number now, and that number can be derived by using principle of addition and principle of multiplication, correct? Okay, so first idea is I will solve this question by using principle of addition. I will add all the different ways of completing the task. Okay, now look at this. Can I go like from Hyderabad? Can I use flight first and then flight next? Means I'll go to Delhi via flight, and then from Delhi to Patna I'll use flight. Okay, so this is one of the way. Flight, train. Okay, now can I go by via train, flight, train, train? This is also another way. Can I go via bus, flight, bus, train? So there are how many ways? So add all the ways. So first way flight, second way flight, train. So this way we got answer as 6. So there are 6 ways to complete this task, correct? So by using you have solved this question. Now try to understand how we will solve the same problem using principle of multiplication. Now look at this. So the idea is we have to reach Patna, and we can reach Patna via Delhi. So from Hyderabad to Delhi you can reach in how many ways? Correct. There are 3 ways. You can use either flight, you can use either train, you can use either bus. Now you guys are at Delhi. Okay, you know that till the time our task is not completed we have to keep on multiplying. So you guys are exactly at Delhi. Do you think your task is completed? No, you have to reach Patna. I have assigned you task to reach Patna, so your task is not completed, so you have to multiply, correct? Now from Delhi to Patna you have how many ways? Correct, 2 ways, either flight or train. So there are 6 ways. Okay, so if using both the concept principle of addition and principle of multiplication we got the same result. I hope now you guys are having command over this definition, but try to memorize these 2 things. So the first thing is till the time our task is not completed we have to keep on multiplying. The second idea is we have to add all the different ways of completing the task. Okay, so this is the principle of addition. I hope the idea is clear and we are good to go with uh, illustrations. Okay,